Here's Squirt, sitting there, keeping guard. What a boy. What a boy. And here's Josiah. He's actually on the front porch. Careful on this edge, Josie. You know that. There he goes. Ho-ho! Faster! Round the corner. That's a good bike. That's a fast one. Well, how does the motorcycle go? Vroom, vroom, vroom. Come forward a bit. Vroom, vroom, vroom. All right, let's go. Careful. All right. What a speedy boy. All right, give me 5. Okay.